Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about where can you get authentic source of informations. In other words, where can you learn swap trading directly from Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if you would like to get some authentic information from authentic source, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet, and after that you will get to see this homepage. Now you just simply have to tap into this 4 circle icon into the top left corner, and after going into there you will get to see this study section. You will get to see this option of user guide. Tap into user guide, and after that you will get this option of swap trading. Now if you would like to learn swap trading, just simply tap into swap trading and you will get to see all of the available informations on swap trading and how to do it, what to do, what not to do, and everything. Just simply learn all of the process and read all the articles, and it provides the visual representation of all this. Just simply get into this page and you can learn everything about swap trading. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.